Santa.
Santa Claus coming to town.
What town? It's not my town.
He knows if you've been good, bad, or naughty, or nice. Same thing. Potato, potato.
Technically, I can't be classified as naughty or nice because I have mental issues, so kind of, you know. Ah!
He sees you when you're sleeping. He knows when you're awake.
He sees all this. Hope he doesn't see me in the bathroom.
Yeah, it happens. You know. You can't help it.
Stop. Stalker Santa.